Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with, well, a bunch of stocks to talk about. There's no such thing as one trade right now. Got to talk about Indo, guys. I mean, Indo, if you were in the room, well, all last week, you know that Indo, a little energy play, only 1.5 million in the float approximately, just had an amazing run. It's, you have to see it really on the daily chart to really see what it was happening. So, it had to run again with energy all over the world. A lot of energy plays were just ripping. And this is such a small one. There's no real reason. It's not like I know nothing about this company. Okay, and I don't know if they're making money. They may not be making money, but it's one of those things in which traders just pile into something. It's got such a low float, and then more and more traders pile in, and then this is what can happen. So a lot, I'm sure, thought, well, okay, how much further can something like this go? This is Friday's action. I mean, it was down at 22, and it got all the way up to 50 before it pulled back. And you might have thought, well, okay, what can it possibly do today? Well, look what happened. I mean, 46 all the way up to 82. I jokingly say it wouldn't surprise me if this hit 100 today. Nothing surprises me anymore. So, I mean, we've been talking about Indo all day long. Remember, this stock only, 6-7 days ago was a $5 stock and hitting, 82. This is one that could be interesting, okay? I'm just pointing this one out, this OP. This is in the, just want to make sure I know the sector it's in. So this is another one of the deep sea freight transportation stocks, okay? So if you've been following some of the other ones, they've been ripping higher. Now this popped over $1 and it has come back down. Now the only reason I'm looking at it is because you look left and it's got 145. It's the next high looking left. If this gains any traction again later on in the day over $1, you might want to take a look at this one. As something that maybe, you swing for a bit. We're always looking for stocks that are just starting out, and maybe this is just starting out. Got to talk about Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, this was an amazing short by many in the trading room. Now, first of all, I have to get the 15-minute chart that shows the bigger picture. So, news hit that they are looking, maybe they're open to be sold. Okay, so this got all the way up to $35, and of course this wasn't one of the meme stocks. Okay, one of the Wall Street bet stocks a long time ago, along with the GME and the AMC, etc. And they probably got a hold of it also. That news hit, and it got all the way up to $35. Look at the drop. And again, I've jokingly said in the room, nothing surprises me anymore that this may even go right back to where it opened or where it closed on Friday. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but nothing surprises me anymore. But I mean, what an incredible short from the top there, 35, 20, $15. I mean, even if you don't get the top, you think, okay, maybe it's topped out. There's a little bit of excitement here. Again, maybe it's going to move up higher again. No, even if you said, you know what, this looks like it's over, and you short around 32, I mean, it's still a $12 drop. Lots and lots of activity in this trading room, of course, with energy. And then on the flip side, we had all the airlines were down, the cruisers were down, along with many other sectors, of course. The market, as we speak, is down 580. NAS is down 276. SPY is down. So, it's funny because the SPY at the beginning, it had a nice little rally just before the market opened, and this was actually at this point, it was basically at the close on Friday. But look what happened, and we thought maybe this might spur a bit of a rally, but nope, and now it's just continuing down. So anyway, definitely want to get back into the room and see what's going to shake for the rest of the afternoon. If you have any questions, this is the email address you can use. The promo for 20% off is still on. It'll be on at least till 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. Maybe still valid tomorrow. No guarantee, though. So I will open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.